Hi everyone, I am Dr. M.S. Tamboli from Dadapati Razare Arts, Science and Commerce College, Adinath Nagar. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Friends, this video is going to be very important and useful to all the students to know in detail about theory of drama. This video contains multiple choice questions on theory of drama which is prescribed for the students of SYBA Special English Paper 1 of Savitribai Phule Pune University Pune. I am sure that this video will be very useful to all the students of Special English who are appearing for their third semester online examination. So friends, let's get started. Here comes your first question. The drama was originated in which of the following country? Three options are given: A. Italy, B. Greece, and C. Britain. And the correct answer is option B. Greece. Question number 2. Where did the English drama begin? Three options are there: A. In the theatre, B. in the church, or C. in the open ground. The correct answer is option B. in the church. Question 3. What is a drama? Three options are given: A. the characters who perform the role, B. the story narration written for the reading, or C. the story that is written for the performance on stage. The correct answer is option C. the story that is written for the performance on stage. Question 4. Which of the following was first English comedy? Three options are given: A. Gorboduc, B. Ralph Roister Doister, and C. Ferrex and Porrex. And the correct answer is option B. Ralph Roister Doister. Question 5. Which of the following was first English tragedy? Three options: Gorboduc, B. Ralph Roister Doister, and C. Ferrex and Porrex. The correct answer is option A. Gorboduc. Question number 6. Who defined the art as an imitation of an idea and twice reduced from the reality? Three options are given: A. Aristotle, B. Plato, or C. Longinus. And the correct answer is option B. Plato. Question number 7. Who defined tragedy as an action that is serious, complete, and of a certain magnitude? Three options again: A. Aristotle, B. Plato, or C. Longinus. And the correct answer is option A. Aristotle. Question 8. Drama is mainly written for the performance dash dash. Three options: A. on the stage, B. in the palace, or C. in the street. And the correct answer is A. on the stage. Question number 9. Aristotle had mentioned about tragedy in his book called, three options: A. Republic, B. Poetics, or C. Poetry. Correct answer is option B. Poetics. Question 10. What is the soul of the drama? So three options: A. plot, B. character, or C. dialogues. And the correct answer is option A. plot. Plot is the soul of the drama. 11. Plato had written his thoughts on poetry in his book called, what is the name of that book? A. Poetics, B. Republic, or C. Mimesis. And the correct answer is option B. Republic, a book written by Plato. on poetry. Question number 12. Which of the following is an ancient form of drama? That is old form of drama. A. Tragedy, B. Comedy, or C. Tragic comedy. And the correct answer is option A. Tragedy. Question number 13. What is speech among the two or more than two characters is called as? A. Script, B. Plot, or C. Dialogue. And the correct answer is option C. Dialogue. 14. The person who writes the play is called A. Author, B. Playwright or dramatist, and C. Poet. And the correct answer is option B. Playwright. Question number 15. The division of the story of a play or drama is in, so how drama is divided? A. In chapters, B. in episode, or C. in acts. The correct answer is option C. in acts. So the drama is divided into acts. The first act, second act, third act, up to 5 acts. Or there can be 1 act or 3 acts. Question number 16. What is the central character in a drama referred as? A. A narrator, B. protagonist, or C. antagonist. The correct answer is option B. protagonist. So the central character or the hero of the drama is referred as protagonist. 17. Acts divided into smaller sections or parts are called as A. episodes, B. chapters, or C. scenes. And the correct answer is option C. scenes. 18. The struggle between two characters is known as A. internal conflict, B. external conflict, or C. both internal and external conflict. The correct answer is option B. external conflict. When there is a struggle between two or more than two characters or two armies or two groups, it is external conflict. And when there is a struggle within a single character, that is internal conflict. Question number 19. What is meant by the term monologue in a drama? A. Conversation between two persons. B. It is a speech made by the character to himself or herself. Or C. It is a conversation among number of characters. The correct answer is it is a speech made by the character to himself or herself. Question number 20. The highest point of tension or the turning point in a drama is 3 options: A. conflict, B. climax, and C. rising action. The correct answer is B. climax. 21. An act of speaking one's thoughts loudly is A. monologue, B. dialogue, or C. soliloquy. And the correct answer is option C. soliloquy. 22. What is tragedy? A humorous kind of drama, B. a serious kind of drama, or C. both serious and comic type of drama. The correct answer is that option B. Tragedy is a serious kind of drama. What is comedy? 3 options again: humorous kind of drama, serious kind of drama, or both serious and comic type of drama. The correct answer is that comedy is a humorous kind of drama. Question number 24. What is tragic comedy? A. serious drama, B. a drama having serious and comic actions or elements, or C. comic drama. The correct answer is option B. a drama having serious and comic elements. 25. The mistake made by the tragic hero is called as dash dash: A. conflict, B. hamartia or tragic flaw, and C. dramatis personae. The correct answer is option B. hamartia, or it is also called as tragic flaw. The term catharsis is used by Aristotle to show the purging of dash dash. A. Pity and fear. B. Sympathy. Or C. Sorrow. The correct answer is A. Pity and fear. So the definition of catharsis, that it is connected to the purging of pity and fear. As Aristotle mentions, that tragedy affects through the pity and fear the catharsis of such emotions. So it is related to pity and fear. 27. The central character who suffers in a tragedy is A. Comic hero, B. A tragic hero, or C. Protagonist. And the correct answer is the central characters who suffers in a tragedy is called as a tragic hero. 28. What is it called as if a plot begins and ends with the same story? So what is it called as when the plot begins and ends with the same story? That is unity of time, unity of action, or unity of place. And the correct answer is unity of action. If there is a single plot or only one plot in a drama, it is unity of action. 29. If a plot ends within a single revolution of the sun, or it is also called a day, it is dash dash A. Unity of time, unity of action, or unity of place. And as we know that if a drama ends within 24 hours or within a single day, it is unity of time. 30. The term antagonist is used for dash dash of the drama. For whom this term is used? A. Hero, B. Villain, or C. Minor character. The correct answer is option B. Villain. 31. What is the extreme form of comedy called as? Three options: A. Mime, B. Pantomime, or C. Farce. And correct answer is option C. Farce. Question 32. The drama in which characters present the story with actions and without speech is called as. Means the characters don't speak at all, only they act. And three options: A. Farce, B. Mime, or C. Comedy. The correct answer is option B. Mime. 33. Aristotle divided plots in which of the following two kinds? A. Main plot and subplot, B. Simple plot and complex plot, and C. Dynamic plot and static plot. Correct answer is option B. Simple plot and complex plot. 34. Who among the following is a pioneer of problem play? Means who started this kind of trend in a drama? Three options: A. G.B. Shaw, B. Henry Ibsen, or C. Sidney Grundy. The correct answer is option B. Henry Ibsen. Question number 36. A problem play dealt with dash dash kind of problem. A. Personal problem, B. Social problem, or C. Psychological problem. Correct answer is option B. Social kind of problem. 37. The basic idea of drama is called as A. Plot, B. Theme, or C. Conflict. Correct answer is option B. Theme. So theme is the basic idea of the drama. 38. A sensational drama with exaggerated characters is option A. Farce, B. Comedy, or C. Melodrama. Correct answer is option C. Melodrama. 39. To show the time and location of the action which takes place in a drama are referred as. So, three options: A. Stage, B. Setting, and C. Surrounding. And correct answer is setting. 40. The effects an audience hears during the performance of a drama is called as? These various effects which are there in a drama and which are heard by the audience. So what is it called as? Three options: A, space; B, sound; or C, set. Correct answer is B, sound, and that's why we call it as a sound effects. 41. What is it called as to enhance the visual and sound effects in a drama? So three option: A, stage presence; B, special effects; and C, setting. The correct answer is option B, special effects. 42. The speed at which the action on stage proceeds is A, tempo; B, thrust; or C, timing. The correct answer is option A, tempo. 43. The light coming from behind the scenery is called as dash dash. A, front light; B, backlight; or C, floodlight. And the light which comes from behind is obviously called as backlight. 44. A simple box shaped lantern containing a reflector is called as A, front light; B, backlight; or C, floodlight. The correct answer is option C, floodlight. 45. Any sound artificially produced from a recording referred as A, tempo; B, sound effects; or C, sound elements. So artificially produced sound is called as option B, sound effects. 46. What is a color filter used in a dramatic performance? A, a curtain put in front of light; a box put in front of light; or C, a gel position in front of light to change the color of the light. And the correct answer is option C, a gel position in front of light to change the color of the light. 47. The basis of the dramatic activity or the written script is called A, script; B, storyline; or C, subtext. And the correct answer is option B, storyline. 48. The written text of a drama or a film is referred as A, storyline; B, script; or C, theme. So what the written text is referred as? The correct answer is B, script. And we know that script of drama or script of movie, we know this term very well. 49. Lines spoken by an actor to the audience that are not supposed to be heard by other characters on the stage is called as dash dash. So when the character speaks, it is supposed that the characters who are present on the stage, they are not listening, but only the audience, they can listen. And three options: A, soliloquy; B, monologue; and C, aside. The correct answer is option C, aside. 50. A drama which describes the meaninglessness of human life is called as. So what that drama is called, which describes the uselessness or futility of life or meaninglessness of life. And three options: A, problem play; B, melodrama; or C, absurd drama. And the correct answer is option C, absurd drama. 51. Where is the street drama performed? And three options: A, in the public; B, in the theater; or C, in the palace. Correct answer is option A, in the public. 52. A short comic performance is called as A, drama; B, skit; or C, mime. And the correct answer is option B, skit. 53. Which of the following is a drama performed for the children? So which of the following is a drama especially performed for the children? A, skit; B, mime; or C, pantomime. The correct answer is option C, pantomime? 54. Which of the following is correct about pantomime? A. It is based on social problem. B. It is based on fairy tale or nursery story. Or C. It is based on a comic story. And as it is for children, the answer is option B. It is based on fairy tale or nursery story. And that's all about the multiple choice questions on theory of drama. So thank you very much for being with me in this part of the video, and see you in the next part, which is going to be multiple choice questions on the prescribed drama A Midsummer Night's Dream, written by William Shakespeare. So thank you very much.